Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and it is making me so happy to go out into my yard and see these adorable solar powered lanterns from DBN. I got the dragonfly pattern, and I love that you can see it really clearly when it's up against the ground. I wasn't sure how well these would charge up when I hung them in the tree because there is some shade. I only had to move one of them because it was in a bad location for sunlight, but I easily found little knobs on my lilac tree to hang them on. And I think having three or more looks so good. Having them together just gives it such a nice whimsical feel. These have a bronze colored finish on the metal, and there's actually a bit of a patinaed look if you look at them closely because there's darker areas that make it look a little aged. I really like that because it gives it a depth of color. I was surprised at how much light it actually gives off, especially when you're walking around with them. I hadn't used them as a lantern to actually see. I got them as more of an aesthetic thing, but you could easily use these to walk around your yard and be able to see very clearly. The handle on them is secured really well, and I like that it does kind of move in the breeze, so it doesn't just fall off if a breeze hits it. It can kind of swing. These are such cute lanterns, and they add such a beautiful look to your garden or walkway or table, wherever you want to place them. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.